We're here today at CIFSAC, the Canadian Forces Small Arms Concentration at the Connaught Range in Canada, Ontario. We're here in support of the Canadian Armed Forces, Army, Navy, and Air Force for weapons cleaning. We're here at CIFSAC, and as you can see, the competitors' ranges are behind us. And after they're finished the competition, they'll be joining us at our booth, where they're going to be taking all of their weapons and cleaning it in the BioCircle system. The BioCircle weapons cleaning system is a green alternative to nasty solvents and chemicals used in the past.
Definitely easy on the hands. The smell's nice. That's another huge thing. The cleaning, actually, the action on the weapons, there's no difference between that and the solvents, other than I think this gets them a lot cleaner. You know what I mean? Yeah. I mean, you still got to scrub the guns. You take them out in the field. You know, I take them out, shoot. You know, got to clean them somehow, and I do the cleaning. I don't count on anyone else in the factory to do it. It's me.
It's your job.
It's me. So. Again, all-purpose, right? I can clean the barrels out. I can clean out the. Typically with these, I like to do the bolts, the bolt carriers. It's perfect for that. Because again, get that stuff in there. That's the part that gets most of the dirt in it anyway. So again, using this, really, really handy.
We know that the military and the soldiers that come in it, they get the bolts. There's 2,000 and 3,000 rounds. They are just caked in the firing pin. Now we've taken just a little bit of the Omni now that we've done, put a little bit of that on, soften it up, clean it, and I know that it saves you a pile of time.
Oh yeah, tons of time. That's the biggest thing, because for me, cleaning guns is a pain in the arse, and to get it done quick and well, that's everything for me, because I got a lot of stuff to do. Right?